Welcome to this tutorial on calculating palletized container loads using Palletized. Here, we are on the main screen of the Mac version of Palletized. On the left, we have the container selection panel, and on the right, we can see a detailed grid displaying various shipping container options along with their specifications. To begin, we navigate to the container selection panel and choose the Shipping Container option. From the available options, we select a 20-foot dry container, DC, to proceed with our calculation. Now, we arrive at the calculation screen, where we enable palletized load calculation. This ensures that our cargo will be arranged efficiently on pallets before being loaded into the container. Then selects the preferred pallet size to fit their specific shipping needs. Next, we enter the details of the cargo, including the box dimensions and quantity. Once all the necessary information is filled in, we proceed by clicking the Calculate button to generate an optimized palletized load configuration. The system processes the input and displays the container with the palletized load. Here, we can clearly see how the pallets are arranged inside the shipping container, optimizing space and ensuring stability. Now, let's explore a more complex scenario, calculating a palletized load for different box types. We repeat the process but enter varied box dimensions and quantities to test a multi-product shipment. Once the calculation is complete, we can see the optimized palletized load with multiple box types. Palletized efficiently arranges the boxes to maximize space and stability inside the container. To get a detailed view of the palletized load, we click on the drop-down menu and select Detailed View. This opens a comprehensive breakdown of how the pallets are organized inside the container. By selecting a specific pallet, we can zoom in and inspect the layer-by-layer stacking configuration. This view allows us to understand how each type of box is positioned within the pallet, ensuring optimal space utilization. Finally, we generate a detailed PDF report of the load by clicking the View Detail Results button. A datasheet appears, providing an in-depth summary of the container load. To share or store this information, we tap the Share button, which instantly creates a professional PDF report with all load details, ready for distribution or printing. With Palletized, container load calculations have never been easier. Whether you're optimizing a single box type or handling multiple product variations, Palletized helps you achieve maximum efficiency. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insightful tutorials on logistics and load optimization.